Welcome to FIXtastic Solutions, the #1 channel to your solution. Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. In today's video I will show you how to remove your Wi-Fi network from your Windows computer. So first what you need to do, head over to where your Wi-Fi is. As you can see where my cursor is pointing, click on network and internet security, so right click on that. Now this page will come up. So what you need to do is click on Wi-Fi, and then you will see manage known networks. Click on that, and as you can see, this is all your stored Wi-Fi credentials here on your desktop. So just click on forget. Now you've removed your Wi-Fi from your Windows desktop. I hope this video helps. Please like and subscribe. Thanks.